How to change the M.2 SSD card on OKPOS Optimus J1900 and i3. Don't worry, it's a fairly simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get it done. 1. Power off the POS. Before you start any work on the POS, make sure to power it off completely. This will prevent any damage or data loss during the M.2 SSD replacement process. 2. Open the side panel where the M.2 SSD card is located. 3. Unscrew the bolts to take out the M.2 SSD card. Ensure that you do not misplace the screw. Once the card is loose, gently pull it away from the POS to remove it. 4. Take the new M.2 SSD card that you want to install and carefully insert it into the empty slot. Make sure that the card is properly aligned and securely in place. 5. Once you've installed the new M.2 SSD card, use a screwdriver to carefully screw it into place. 6. Close the panel. Once you've finished installing the new M.2 SSD card and securing it with screws, carefully close the panel on the POS. 7. Power on the POS and wait for it to boot up. This may take a few minutes. 8. Once the POS is fully booted up, hold to this PC icon on the desktop and then click on Properties. 9. In the Properties window, check the system information to ensure that the new M.2 SSD card is recognized and installed correctly. 10. If the new M.2 SSD card is recognized, open the This PC icon and check whether local disk appears or not. If the new M.2 SSD card is recognized and appears on this PC, you are done. You've successfully changed the M.2 SSD card on your OKPOS Optimus J1900 and i3. If you have any issues or questions during the process, feel free to reach out to us for further assistance.